This is a quick video demonstrating how to remove the cover of a Guardian smoke alarm and replace the battery. Firstly, we must turn off the external power source to the device at the mains. This is usually the switch for the lights. To identify whether the power to the device has been turned off, the green light will no longer be displayed. To remove the cover, locate the clip on the side of the device that instructs us to slide to open. Some of these clips are stubborn and don't actually slide, but if we push and hold the clip in the direction of the arrow, it will disengage the locking pin inside. While still holding the clip, pull the same side of the cover down over the locking pin, leaving the opposite side still in place. Once this side is down, gently push the cover back away from the clip. This will unclip the other side and the cover will be released. Now we can remove the old battery and replace it with a new 9-volt battery. Be sure to attach the terminals correctly and secure the battery into the device. We are now ready to secure the cover back onto the base. To line it up correctly, match the power terminals at the back and the locking pin at the front, then push the cover back into place, slightly favouring the power terminal side, then the locking pin side. It should now be secured back into place. We should press the test button to check the battery is working. Now we can turn the main power source back on and check that the green light has reappeared. We can press the test button one more time to ensure it is working fine. Even though these smoke alarms are powered by an external power source, the battery ensures they are working even if there's a power outage, so it's always important to replace the battery each year.